Good morning, kids. Accept and value the things you have. When you take things for granted, the things you are granted get taken. Yes, children. So, the today's story that I have is appreciating what you have. Acceptance through joy. So, let's read the story. In a village far from the city, a woman and her husband were taking a walk by the harbor. At the end of the harbor, they saw a magnificent little ship which with a notice that said, "Welcome aboard." Dazzled by the vessel's elegance, they stepped on board to explore it. "It's strange that no one is around. The crew must have gone ashore," said the woman while looking around the vessel. "Yes, even the watchman is not here," said the husband. They were downstairs to explore other area. The boat was very old and they were interested in close examining every detail. They were so engrossed that they did not even realize that the ship had been started moving gently. "Oh no, what's happening? Where are we going?" the woman yelled anxiously. "Stay calm. We'll get off quickly as soon as it reaches the dock," reassured the husband, trying to suppress his worried tone. After the little ship sailed into a small harbor and then gently halted next to some stone step, the couple quickly get off the vessel and climbed ashore. Sun hasn't set yet and the land was filled with pine trees and sweet fragrance of flowers. So the story is about a husband and a wife who were just taking a walk near the harbor, and they saw a very nice cute little boat which says "Welcome aboard." So the boat says you can come on. The notice was written "Welcome aboard." So they just climbed up the boat to examine it, to see what is there in the boat. And the boat was in the water, so it started moving gently. And they were busy looking in the boat and they found that, oh, they have reached somewhere else. And the woman was getting a little worried. So the husband says, "Don't worry, once we get ashore, we will climb down the boat." Now let's see what happens. The atmosphere was peaceful and seemed safe. After climbing the stairs, the couple found a pretty lane lined up with blossom trees. They saw a little girl approaching them, holding some flowers. "It's pleasure that you have come," said the girl with a smile. "I am Joy. I live here." The girl pointed a big stone house. Would you like something to eat?" she asked. So now they reached somewhere else. They climbed down the boat and they moved little stones up, and they saw that there was a girl who was running and coming towards them holding some flowers and saying, "Oh, welcome, welcome, come to my house." Surprised but happy with the calm and gentle behavior, the couple thankfully agreed to visit the house. The house was huge and comfortable with bright furniture and soft carpet. It had a small garden filled with flowers and plenty of pets. You stay here for you can stay here for as long as you want," said the girl. "We all are friends here. The boat will come back here in few days, which will take you back home." The couple agreed to stay for a while. At the first, the husband and wife were delightful because they were getting whatever they wished for. The house was how they always wished to live in. They were very happy. As the time went by, they got accustomed to the luxury and they began to get bored. So now the husband and wife agreed to stay with the girl for few days. The house was very beautiful, just the way they wanted. Soft carpet, nice furniture and everything, and now both husband and wife were getting used to of the house and they were getting a little bored. "Something is a bit strange about the place," said the wife. "One morning, last night, I noticed that there was something special about the golden hairbrush that Joy gave me. I liked it first, but then I lost interest in it, and today in the morning I couldn't find it anywhere." "Oh darling, a similar thing happened to me," replied the husband. I saw a hole in the sleeve of this jacket that Joy gave me. I started disliking the color and it went dull. Now there is no hole in it. I am sure there wasn't one when I last wore it." They noticed something very odd about the place. They were more sorry. The more they took things for granted, the more they disappear and worn out. The more they get bored, the more dull and the furniture of the house appeared to them. So now there was little strange of that house. The wife said, Joy gave me a golden comb. I liked it at the first time, but now when I got bored of it, now I'm not finding that comb. The husband said the same thing happened with me. Joy gave me a coat and it had a hole in it. But then as time passed, I did not like the coat and now the coat is getting dull. So the wife is saying there is something strange in the place. As soon as we started disliking the things, they are either getting dull or they are going away. I asked Joy about the return of the boat. She told me it would come back the next day. I think we should go back home, said the husband. The very next day, the couple got ready to leave the house. As they were leaving, Joy handed each of them flowers. Joy, what happened to the things you gave us? Why did they disappear? Asked the confused wife. I gave you all those things with love. It was your outlook that deceived you. You didn't appreciate what you had, and so they kept looking for better things. If you always look for something better than what you have, it will appear to worn out. Look within yourself and you will find love for every little thing around you. So next day, husband and wife started getting ready to leave the house. So they asked Joy, you were giving us so many things, but why did it started disappearing? So Joy said that you know why? Because once you start taking things for granted, once you start disliking things, it gets worn away, it gets disappear. You have to look for things inside you. Your happiness, your love is inside you. Once you do that, you will find everything beautiful and everything you will fall in love with. The woman and husband waved goodbye of Joy and boarded the ship for a journey back home. You both are my friends. You can come back and stay whenever you want, said Joy and waved them goodbye. Surely we will, replied the couple, and they bid adieu to Joy. So Joy said, you are my friends now. Whenever you want to come, you come and stay here. The couple said, we will surely come. Thank you so much. And they waved goodbye to Joy. So children, did you understand that we should value whatever we have? We should not keep looking for things. Okay, whatever we have is best and we should appreciate what we have got. Okay, so that was a story of acceptance through joy. I hope you like the story, children. I will see you in the next class with one more story. Till that time, bye bye. Take care.